Nathan from Equipco, here today going over our Mechlube 3-to-1 stub pump for oil. Highlighted on the screen right now, the 3-to-1 is our most common model offered in our Italian-made Mechlube oil pump range. It suits most light to medium weight oils, most commonly used for engine and hydraulic oils. The pump will run off any compressor as long as it receives enough pressure and air to run. The pump is suggested to run between 6 to 8 bar of pressure on the air inlet with a suggested air consumption of 200 litres per minute. We always suggest having a filter lubricator on the air inlet to protect the integrity of the pump. At 6 bar, the pump will deliver SAE 30 grade oil at 25 litres per minute. Actual flow rates will vary, however, depending upon oil weight, temperature, pressure put into the pump, amount of air being fed to the pump, as well as your delivery line size and length. Our standard offering comes with a suction to suit 205 litre drums. However, we have a wide variety of kits, I'm now scrolling down to suit many applications, including IBC and hose reel kits. Feel free to contact us for more information, talk to someone in our sales team to find the kit that will suit you. Thanks for watching.